Recipe sent over their new Watermelon Glow Dew Bombs with SPF in it. They're glow serum, but in a SPF stick form. This is all the product that you get in it. This is what it looks like. It smells just like the serum. Right now I just have eye cream and moisturizer on, so I'm going to put this on top and we're going to see how this does under makeup. You can like definitely see that glow as you apply it. So I feel like this would be really nice under makeup. I'm just going to press in that product. I feel like the key with a lot of these products that are in this form is to really press it in and let it sit on your skin and dry before applying anything else on top like makeup. You can really see the glow that it gives you, and I love that it has SPF 45. I'm curious to see how this will wear under makeup and sit under makeup, so we're gonna go ahead and do the whole face. This is the finished makeup look. I'm super close up because I want to show y'all I have not experienced any pilling during the whole process. So for me, this product is a huge win. It's so easy to like throw in your purse. I think for like the no makeup days, this is perfect. I do think if I put it over my makeup, it will shift the makeup and move and make it patchy. However, underneath makeup, this is incredible. Skin has such a beautiful glow. It gives me that sun protection. This is 100% a win in my books.